the Learn to Cook program is one of our most popular programs that we have in partnership with the church for sure. We have a waiting list. Everybody wants to do it.
The Horizon Health Network Community Health Recognition Award was a wonderful validation for us as volunteers running this program for the students at Queen Elizabeth School. It really helped us to see that other people shared our vision and supported the work that we were doing. Of course, the money was nice too. We operate on a shoestring, and so having the additional funds to be able to continue the program actually into this fall of 2018 was absolutely wonderful.
My mother, because she works really late, and me and my brother are always home late, and she said I need to become more mature, and I thought I would be more mature, so I wanted to learn how to cook.
My favorite part was learning how to cook like other things. At home, mostly I just cook cakes like out of the box. And then so now, every now and then, I still help out with the supper.
Now that I've gone through the program, I find that I've done a lot more cooking and baking. I've baked for my brother's parties and school events.
The students really take a lot of pride in their finished dishes, the things that they've cooked that day. We really see it building their skill set, but also their confidence. Their sense of autonomy and decision-making, taking responsibility for something, really grows over the 5 weeks. It's amazing to see. And when they leave, they don't want it to be over.
We were very, very pleased to receive the Community Health Recognition Award and the money that came with it, the $500, because we didn't have funds to get the extra things that was needed. So we decided that we would take part of it and have a cabinet built so that we could have safety storage and so on for the sewing machines and our tools.
Well, we have a new tech teacher this year, and she partnered up with Maureen, who ran the Learn to Sew program at the church. And Maureen came over with some volunteers and helped out with the first class in the tech program so that the students are, benefiting from learning how to sew in school. And in the past, it's always been at the church, which is great. But being able to work with our teacher, who was a new tech teacher, and getting that up and running in the school has been invaluable.
Oh, it's been marvelous. It has been, it's been so well attended and such that this summer I was asked to do a Learn to Sew program for 20 new Canadians.
We would love to have more people join our volunteer group. As I mentioned, we need 4 to 5 for each session to be able to run the program. We do provide training. You don't have to be an expert cook. Probably the main qualification is that you enjoy working with kids in the age range of 11 to 13. There's a core group of us who would be here to support you as a volunteer.
My favorite thing that I learned how to cook in the program was probably the chocolate frogs. I liked how chocolatey they were. I like chocolate.